The Fultz Quadruplets, a lifetime of exploitation. The Fultz Quadruplets were the first identical black quadruplet babies born in the United States. The Fultz girls became baby celebrities, while Fred Klenner, the white doctor who delivered them into the world, exploited them for fame and money. The Fultz Quads were born on May 3, 1946 at Annie Penn Hospital in Reidsville, North Carolina. The Quads' parents, Pete, was a sharecropper and their mother, Annie Mae, was deaf and mute. They lived on a farm with their 6 other children, but were too poor to care for the babies. Multiple births were rare at that time, and the equipment to care for underweight babies wasn't as prevalent as it is in modern times. The girls were delivered in what was known as the basement. This basement was the blacks-only wing of Annie Penn Hospital. Klenner and a nurse helped Annie Mae give birth. Since the Fultz family could not read or write, Dr. Klenner named the girls after his own family members. The quadruplets shared the media spotlight since birth as reporters and photographers from all over the nation thronged the Annie Penn Hospital for glimpses of them. When news of the quads began to spread nationwide, curious onlookers and media began sniffing around for photo opportunities. At the time, baby formula companies such as Gerber and Pet Milk wanted to use the quads as a means to start an ad campaign to sell their wares in the black community. Black families didn't buy formulas during the late 1940s, as many mothers opted to breastfeed because of the high cost of baby formula. Taking advantage of the Fultz parents' illiteracy, Klenner appointed himself unofficial guardian of the children. For the doctor, this meant striking up some sort of corporate adoption arrangement with the companies that offered him the best advertising deal. Dairies like Borden and Carnation were the first to come calling, but Klenner awarded the deal to Pet Milk. Klenner received an undisclosed recurring fee in exchange for use of the girls' images to advertise Pet's milk and baby formula products. The girls received a nurse, medical care, a farm on tough land in a small town in North Carolina, and a paltry monthly salary to keep them off welfare rolls. All this was agreed to before the Fultz Quads left the hospital nursery. Klenner struck a deal with Pet Milk for an undisclosed amount, and the Fultz Quads were well on their way to becoming stars. The Quads starred in ads in Ebony magazine, and they even made the cover of the publication. But all this notoriety came with a price, as Klenner used the girls for his vitamin C therapy that he claimed made the girls healthy, along with the Pet evaporated milk formula. Klenner discharged the daughters to their parents' home when he deemed them healthy enough for commercial image purposes. When Klenner returned the girls to their home, he displayed them in a glass-enclosed nursery. To the public, he stated, "Visitors are welcome at the home between the hours of 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. each afternoon." According to their nurse and their eventual adoptive mother, Elma Saylor, their parents never considered blocking the deal because their father had never made more than $500 a year in his whole life. So when Pet Milk came around with those offers, Mr. Fultz thought it was a blessing from heaven. Klenner's statement underscored the exploitative nature of the Fultz's childhood. Well into their teens, the Fultz sisters were plastered on Pet Milk ads. Eager to draw urban black consumers into the baby formula and dairy markets, Pet's year-long advertising campaign resulted in more cans of Pet Milk being sold than any other time in the company's history. Up until their late adolescence, the Fultz girls were child celebrities, taking pictures with presidents and doing interviews on talk shows, though they hardly earned more than $350 a month. However, Klenner continued to grow rich off the deal, using the money to fund his medical experiments. Once the Fultz children became women, the ads stopped and the money stream was cut off. The milk sold itself. The Fultz girls had been exploited for many years, just like animals, in order for unscrupulous people to make millions in cash. The media was saying that the girls were receiving financial support, but they were paid mere scraps. The girls became the third set of quadruplets in America to survive until adulthood. 3 of the sisters died of breast cancer before the age of 55. Catherine Fultz died from breast cancer at the age of 72. Until next time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell to be notified of future uploads. Thank you for watching.